finished pressing off our wine. So now we have to start malolactic fermentation and get some oak chips in there. It's been about a week and it's time to rack off this beautiful carboy of wine. You can kind of see on the bottom the lees. After we do this, we're gonna add an oak stave. Before refilling this, I wanna squirt down this oak stick with some star sand just to make sure it is sterile. I'm not gonna boil it or anything because I don't want any of the tannins to come out, but you can also soak it in bourbon or vodka. Now to top this up, I'll be using this Malolactic Culture, which will fill up the headspace up to here. That's how you make homemade wine. It's a fairly simple and easy process and truly worth it in the end. Now, once malolactic fermentation is finished, you're going to want to sulfite your wine and then let it sit for 6 to 12 months. Along this process, you can taste it and see how the wine and its complexity changes with the added oak. When it comes time to bottle, sulfite it one last time so the flavors remain consistent throughout each and every bottle. I'm gonna do one more bonus episode showing you how I bottle, but that won't come for another few months because I need to let my wine age. Now, if you support Papavino and the brand, you can check out some of our cool merch that we have, including this crew neck and other apparel. My link is in the bio on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, so check it out. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.